So the big problem within the natural language processing is to understand the text, because the text for a computer is just a combination of characters or a combination of words that computer cannot understand. So we need here to produce a model that can actually predict, for example, a necessary word that can be expected according to the previous words, or fix the grammar within a document that can be applied as a natural language processing problem, and also the problem of the translation text into a meaningful form to another language. And the NLP application now we can see in different forms, like language translation services like Google service for translating the sentences or the whole documents, the word processors like a Microsoft Word that help us to fix the grammar within a text, the interactive voice recognition systems that are typically incorporated with the natural language processing, because our voice have to be transformed into a text at first, and then this text should be separated into different categories and implement a logic that connects all of the words together to produce a necessary output. And the personal assistant elements like OK Google, Siri, Cortana or Alexa that are provided by search systems and mobile phone producers. And now we will talk about the smart services. The smart services is a digital service that react on collected data and analyze this data based on the networked integral intelligence systems and platforms. The green information communication technology also is a part of a smart technology. The green information and communication stands for a set of initiatives organizations undertaken to provide a better power consumption within their data interoperation. And it is the study of practice of using computing resources and with a minimum impact to the environment. The ICT effects also, the primary effect is the effect of physical existence of ICT to the environment. The secondary effect is indirect environmental effect of ICT due to its power to change the processes that already existed but may be optimized according to the ICT and may consume less power or produce less garbage or less output that is aggressive to the existing environment. Territory effects is the environmental effects of the medium or long-term adaptation of a behavior. And selected rare materials are used in ICT goods manufacturing. You can see on the next table, you can find out that a lot of elements from the periodical table are used to produce information communication technology environment and infrastructure. All of the elements consist of the computing power elements, and they have to be constructed from the natural resources. And our goal is to produce more powerful elements by using less elementary base. Within a smart technology, we need to talk about the electronic business that is also represented as the function that optimize the process of the money transfer and smart contracts. The e-business has provided firms with new ways of approaching, acquiring, and retaining customers. The e-business can be represented as the three normal forms like business to business, where two or more companies operate with each other to provide a better service for the final clients. The business to client is the approach where you produce an elementary base or function that is acceptable for final clients as a final client. And the client to client business approach supports the direct business between two participants and to exchange the data or money within a customers and without any necessity to have a central unit here. The business to business is the one of the example of the business to business is Skype or Kickstarter or LinkedIn portals like Chocolife.me, and business to client is represented as the online shopping platform like AliExpress, Amazon or eBay. The client to client platforms can also be presented like Amazon, where one participant can sell something and another participant can retrieve or buy this element from the counterpart. And also OLX website that is represented in our country is particularly an example of the client-to-client approach. The e-business infrastructure refers to a device, software, hardware, such as servers and client PC that help to maintain all of this business process that are incorporated. And the e-business infrastructure consists of application layer like CRM system or supply chain management, or a system software layer like operating system, web browsers, the transport and network layers that are represented by network cards and transfer protocols, the storage physical layers that are represented as hard disk drives that can store the amount of data. The content and data layers include the web content for intranet, extranet, and internet sites. The smart technology also includes the e-learning subsystem. E-learning subsystem is the software and hardware and many other incorporated features that help us to bring knowledges, to bring courses, to bring science worldwide by using the information and communication technology. And here there is a big advantage that you can actually use this information from any point of the world and can interpret it and spread it further by using the information communication technology. By using this technology, you can obtain the same information in different forms, starting from textual forms and ending up with video lectures and audio lectures. The e-learning platform are now lay out this represented as the Coursera, for example, or any other platforms, edX and massive online open courses that are represented for nowadays for different languages and countries. And this becomes more and more popular for nowadays. And I have to admit that it is more efficient to have recorded the lecture by one time and to spread it many times to different people at different time. And also those people can retrieve this information at different speeds, so something cannot be understood at the same speed by many people.